What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to set up a Revolut business account. To create your account, you also need to verify your identity. So you need to go over to the sign up portal, visit the Revolut business sign up page, or download the official app. Now once any of these are open, you need to enter your full legal name, your email, your phone number, and home address. And then after that, you'll need to complete a biometric verification by capturing a government ID or passport and submitting a short video selfie. After that's done, you need to focus on your company structure and official address. For your company structure, you need to select your legal entity type, limited liability company or sole trader or partnership or any of these options. Then of course you want to provide your official company registration number, country of incorporation, and your tax identification number. After that, you'll need to enter your office address. So go ahead and enter your official registered business address alongside your operational address. Be prepared to upload proof of your address, such as an official corporate registry extract or a recent utility bill if prompted. After that, you'll need to focus on your business nature. For your sector offerings, you need to select the industry category and provide a brief description of products or services offered. Then you need to prove your online presence. For this, you'll need to provide proof of active operations, and then your agreements. If pre-launched or unlisted, upload a signed customer contract, issued invoice, or supplier agreement. After this, you need to focus on the directors and ownership documents. You'll be prompted to input complete legal details of all registered company directors, add details of any shareholders, and Revolut will also have you to do an automated ID verification. Here, Revolut will send secure direct links to stakeholders to complete individual identity checks. And then Revolut will need to do an automated ID verification where it will send secure direct links to key stakeholders to complete individual identity checks. Of course, since your business, you need to choose your plan tier. Different plan tiers have their perks and limitations. So go ahead and choose the plan that fits your goal and business structure, and then submit the file. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to set up a Revolut business account.